Good morning. Good morning. Today we are having taro, and taro is just a root. So it's just arrowroot. Taro is arrowroot. So I went into a shop and I found taro, and taro is arrowroot, and I bought and I decided I will come and cook my taro. And this is not the first time. I found it again and I bought it. And so, it is some of those things that you will discover by yourself. And because I have discovered this, I have been talking about Kenyan products in the US, which I have been trying to find, and I don't find them. So when I find them, I become excited, and I want to share with the people like me who may be somehow new, because some of these things you have to discover by yourself. So I'm going to boil some, and then because I love my arrowroot the way my mother showed me how, I am going to also do a stew. I will mix arrowroots. This arrowroot here, I will peel some potatoes, and I have beef, and I am going to, stew, fry them together. That meal that you can get it, that you can only get it when you visit your mom's place or when you visit your grandmom's place. So I'm going to boil my taro for my tea this morning, and I also found sweet potato, like real sweet potato. This one I found it from a Korean mall, So I already baked it, and it looks like this. And when you taste it, actually, it's just the real sweet potato that we know. So I have been doing that after going to other markets and buying sweet potatoes that were not sweet potatoes. And that's how I learned there is something that is called, what they call yam here. It looks like sweet potato, but inside is just, it looks watery inside. It looks like a pumpkin inside, but they call it sweet potato. So this one I had to really go to different shops, and when I got this kind, I was very happy because, it just, makes me feel like I am actually home. So yeah, the Lord bless you. If you want to buy taro or arrowroot, go to the market. We have shops here that are called the market. They are all over. I think most towns here, they have this shop that is called the market, and it is also cheap. This one I bought at $5.36, and it looks expensive, but this is a rare commodity. Again, it's a commodity that you don't buy every time, maybe once in a month, and I was excited even to find it. So for now, it's my taro, my sweet potato, and my Kenyan tea, which I'm going to have with my taro and my sweet potato. I already cooked my tea, so it's going to be my brunch this morning. So bye bye, waheri ya kuonana with another video. I love you. Bye.